Welcome.
So after you reset the phone, it's going to ask you for the Apple ID and information you got it. Go for this.
I'm just signing for my buddy. Huh? What's up?
What are you asking for?
You tell me, man. I bring phones and that up here all the time, so.
I know you got that, but no, the thing is that they have the Google account and all that stuff. You have to watch it out.
So just tell me something.
It's yours. You're selling it.
You tell me a price on what you think. Because y'all always favor me.
No, the thing is that you're selling it. I have to know your price, and based on that, I say if it's good, then I give you the money. You know. So that's what I'm saying.
All right, I'll say 40 and then you give me your number.
40 is a lot, man.
Okay, so you give me your number.
I would say, you know, it's 25 for this.
Come on,